Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing another get ready with me video. I am so excited. Oh, also if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. I'm so excited. We are over 200 subscribers now. Like I'm blown away. I'm just so excited. Thank you so much for everybody who has subscribed already. All right, but yes, we're doing another get ready with me. And yes, it is, as you know the title, my first time ever using Morphe eyeshadows. I am so freaking excited. So I bought this one yesterday. It is the Painted Desert 9D Morphe palette. It's one of the newer ones. And like I said yesterday in my other video, if you haven't seen that, check that out. But I have never tried a Morphe eyeshadow. I had gotten some brushes from, I believe it was BoxyCharm, a while ago, and I used some of the brushes, but I wasn't a huge fan of them. And I've heard like on and off reviews about Morphe, so I wasn't sure if I really wanted to try them or not. But then I saw this palette and I saw another YouTuber, she swatched it and the colors were gorgeous, and I was like, you know what? This can make a fun video. After I had bought it, I realized it could make a fun video, but I really wanted to try it. So that's what we're doing today. I'm super pumped. I also have other few products that I have not tried yet, so we're gonna try those today too, but I will do like little clips here and there. I will try and skip through until we get to the Morphe palette. I'm so excited, so pumped for this today. Well, we're gonna put on this headband and I'll be right back with you. Okay, this is the headband that I got yesterday with my Sephora haul order. I'm kind of loving it. It's nice. I mean, it's really tight, so it holds everything in place, and it'll keep my hair out of my face so I don't get makeup and cover up all over it while I am putting it on. Anyway, so the first product we're gonna start off with is primer, of course, and we have this Illamasqua Primer. I believe it's a glow, Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. Yes, I got this in Look Fantastic this month, if I could think. And I have not had a chance to try it, so we're going to try this out today as well. Super exciting. I love trying out new products, new brands. I actually have tried Illamasqua before though. I got a palette from them, I believe. It was in the BoxyCharm box. Don't quote me. No, I'm pretty sure that was it. I don't know. Goodness. But yeah, I haven't tried it yet, so I thought today would be a nice day to try it with the Morphe palette and see how it goes. Oh, it smells nice. I hear it's a good one. I just haven't had a chance to try it yet. Alright, moving on, we're going to use Fenty Beauty again with the new beauty blender that I had bought yesterday. Loving it, loving these products. So we'll go with it again today. Not bad. I love this. I love this. What's the words? Cover up. Foundation. Love it. I am glowing a little bit through it too from the primer. I noticed though it does nothing for my pores, but glowing is nice. I'm glowing through the matte foundation, so that's nice. And now we're gonna move on to Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I love this stuff. Lightweight, gorgeous color. Love the formula. Love it. I'm going in and setting it now with the Fenty Beauty Pro. I believe it's the Pro Filter. I looked at it yesterday. I can't remember. Yeah, Pro Filter setting powder. Love it. Alright, let's do some brows now. I'm going to use Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. What am I using? I use 3.5. And I just like to shade them in. Done. Good old brows are on. Alright, now for the exciting part. Oh, this palette. I am super pumped. Let's move this big mirror out of the way, let's use the mirror. If I can get the sticker off in the palette. There we go. I love when eyeshadow palettes have mirrors. It's like my favorite thing. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, just look at these colors. What am I doing today? What am I doing today? I think I want to do the yellow. Like yesterday I stated, like, I'm absolutely obsessed with mustard yellow lately. So I think I want to go with this yellow and then some sparkles. And then maybe we'll do a little bit of orange on the bottom. We'll see. Also going to use my new Moda brushes. So excited to have these. Freaking love these brushes. These are the metallic ones. They came in BoxyCharm. I can't even remember what they're called right now. But this one's like a triangle shaped brush and it's fantastic. I went to go for my mirror. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at that color, you guys. I freaking love it. Blend it in, blend it out. Super gorgeous, super to die for. Let's put some orange underneath and see if we like it. Oh yeah, super pretty. All right, orange, yellow, bright, amazing colors today. So I bring that sparkle down into my inner corner and under my lid, mix it in with this orangey. Looking gorgeous, loving it, loving the formula, loving the shades. So far, I am very impressed with this palette. I'm kind of sad I haven't tried Morphe before. Like, I just, you know, you listen to reviews because that's what you go off of. And there was a lot of people say they love it. A lot of people say they hate it. Another thing I heard was small palettes are great, the big palettes are not so much. But now that I've tried this palette, I might have to try that other new one, which was, I think it was called Oasis. The big colorful one. It had lots of blues and stuff. I think that's what it's called. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other eye. Okay, both eyes are done. What do you guys think? I am loving the colors. I switched to the big mirror again. It's easier to use, okay? I love my high mirror. She's my baby. But I'm loving this. I'm loving this Morphe palette. And yeah, I really think I'm going to have to buy more now because yeah, that was great. Colors are great. The formula is great. It blends out nicely, which I actually forgot to do with this eye. Give it a little blend here. All right, there we go. Blend it out. Gorgeous. I'm so excited. I'm so sorry, Morphe, I didn't try your palettes earlier. Okay, well, let's move on to, I'm gonna throw on some bronzer real quick. Okay, now bronzer is done. Thought it was done 2 minutes ago. That's why I said that. I got my forehead. Anyway, last product other than a lippy will be this Complex Culture mascara. I'm super excited. It says, I haven't heard anything about it, but I have been in love with Complex Culture brushes. I have a contour, I have a highlighter. I've been in love with their products lately, so I had to try the mascara. But it says this multitasking 5-in-1 mascara is infused with antioxidant rich fruit extracts to naturally define, lift, and lengthen, volumize, and nourish your lashes without smudging or flaking. Like, holy, that's a whole lot in one mascara. So we're gonna see if this actually works. Lashes are curled. Let's see what happens. I love the wands, by the way. Forgot to show that yesterday, but here's the wand. I love it. It reminds me of, actually I think this one came out first, but where did it go. So many mascaras lying around here. Oh, the Idol, I think it says. It's the Lancome mascara. I got this one top box to try for free. Super exciting, and I actually quite enjoyed it. So so let's see how this one fares out. It has a smell, like a fruity smell to it. That's crazy. All right, all done. I'm super excited. We're just gonna throw on some lips, and I think I'm gonna go with my Complex Culture. It's like a tinted gloss. Where is it? What is this one? Oh yeah, Deal Closer Tinted Lip Cream. Even better. Love this one. What shade is this one? Espresso. Gorgeous color. Keep it in the box. I don't know why. I also have a gloss from them I like too, but I wanted to do a little bit of color. All right, I love this stuff. It feels so good on the lips. I'm sad that oh, by the way, I love the mascara. I'm quite enjoying this. I'm sad because you cannot buy Complex Culture in Canada. You can't buy it here. It sucks. They won't even ship Complex Culture products. The last time I checked, they won't ship to Canada. So most of mine have come through Ipsy bags. So every time I see one, I snag one. Except for this month. Did anybody else check out the Ipsy add-ons today? There was a palette in there. I didn't really care for the color, so I was like, whatever. But I have a palette coming in my Ipsy February bag, whenever that shall get here. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.